Select User IC type. Give the component a new name. Click OK. Double-click to enter the Edit menu. Enter the actual dimensions of the component. Because the input result exceeds the size range recognized by the flying camera, it cannot be input. Choose a large fixed camera. Click OK to re-enter the actual size. We also need to enter the height dimension of the component. Click to modify pin parameters. Start from the following and delete these parameters first. Press the Delete key on your keyboard. Click OK. Delete all these parameters. Same operation method. The parameters in the above table are also deleted. Click OK after deleting. Then click to select the curve. Select this curve. The component is currently sucked into nozzle number 1, so we select nozzle number 1. Choose a large fixed camera. Modify the brightness of the large camera in different directions. We adjusted the brightness of the camera. Since this component is black and the black surface does not reflect light, the brightness is adjusted to a higher level. The camera brightness has been adjusted to the highest setting, but the surface of the component is still black. Our goal is to adjust the component's body color to white, but there should be no white around the component. Let's click OK first and check other methods. We click on the automatic identification function, but the recognition test failed. We click on the automatically identified contour. Enlarge the window. This means removing the outline. We hold down the mouse and drag, then select the target line that needs to be deleted. When the target line turns blue, we click the target line with the mouse and it will be deleted. Select the target line you want to delete. Delete the target line that is easy to misjudge. Delete the target first, then click Test to check whether the machine can recognize it. Due to the low light level, the machine cannot recognize the pass. Let's check the binarization of brightness. Check whether the brightness of the component is clearly distinguishable from the surrounding brightness. We adjust this threshold. The main purpose is to distinguish the components from the surrounding white. Let's take another look and check the different values. Click on Automatic Identification. Still failed. We click on the System Parameter Settings and find the Camera Brightness Adjustment settings. Tap Brightness. Select Fixed Camera. Then use your phone to take a photo of this parameter. If you make a mistake in modifying it, you can restore it. These parameters are the brightness adjustments of the camera at different gears. Click Save after making changes. Adjust the brightness. I just modified the last parameter. Now the brightness has changed, but we need to distinguish this lens from the surrounding brightness colors. This lens does not clearly differentiate itself from the surrounding colors, which is not acceptable. We modify the following thresholds to see if there is any improvement. It's something like this. Be sure to distinguish the lens from the surrounding colors. Then click on Automatic Image Recognition. We click on the contours and delete the unnecessary contours. Just like the previous operation, delete the unnecessary contour lines. Then click Detect and click OK after the recognition passes. This is how this component type is made. Because it is a black lens, it is difficult to see through.